U70Pro seats are wrapped in leather to improve comfort. The second row of seats supports 102 front, 12 rear adjustment. It is also equipped with a central armrest with cup holders and independent air outlets for air conditioning, combining comfortable design and thoughtful storage space. It creates a comfortable feeling at home. 1800L trunk space. When the flat seats are folded down, it instantly becomes a playground for the whole family. The large and spacious flat space can be used to sit or lie down. A family of three can rest, watch TV series, and play games without stopping.
我会等一场雨落下，把回忆都冲刷，再与你一起去看外面世界到底多大。我会等冬的雪融化，蒲扇里的沙，数着深夜里的星星，眨眼不说话。我会等故事里的你再给我讲笑话，相信美梦